Placement requirements. In this lesson, the learner will be able to understand the required placement skill sets, aptitude skills, verbal skills, technical skills, soft skills, English language fluency, useful hints for placement.
Hi to everybody. I'm Hanifa Ghosh, the English language trainer. Let us do an exercise in group discussion. This activity will help your team to improve communication.
Good morning, madam.
Through this group discussion, you will improve your communication skills and English fluency.
What is group discussion, madam?
Group discussion means a group of participants who discuss topic for a limited period of time and then their viewpoints are assessed accordingly. It improves your communication skills.
Okay, ma'am. Tell us the rules.
Now all of you listen once more. The rules for doing this activity are: make eye contact with the speaker. Wait until others finish speaking. Listen for the pause and then speak. Relate your friends' opinions and use the words I agree or I disagree when replying. Everyone in the group has the right to speak and be listened to. The time for the discussion will be 15 minutes.
Okay, madam. We understood.
Do you have any questions?
No.
Hi to everybody. Everybody listen to me. I will give you 15 minutes to do this activity. Once I say start, your time begins. The topic is it better to study online? Okay, good luck to all of you. Ready? Start.
Good morning, everyone. I think it is good to study online because it is convenient. You can study whenever you want and at your own place. For example, we study normally at night time. It works better. It's quiet at night. Nobody will disturb me and I can do whatever I want. Okay, it's true, but then
Sorry, but
please let me finish. As I was saying, it's true, but you don't need to motivate yourself. So it is better to learn in the classroom where other students and a teacher teaches you.
what you're saying is correct. But some people can't afford huge money or resources to go to a big school.
I'd like to add something: soft skills. That is not usually talked about in schools. It's actually interaction, utilizing your knowledge of the English language when you communicate with other people. So, this is hard to get through online study. Yes, I do agree with his point. There are so many things like communication skills we learn through practice by just watching or listening. Yeah, this is true that many people find it very difficult to get a job. If they don't have a practical knowledge, it is hard to find a job.
It's a fact. You said it very correctly.
I would like to add something more to that point. Sometimes in the classroom, classmates distract, so that you cannot focus and have to review many times. Focus is something good. Sometimes people don't understand the material at the first reading, so you go for some more material to get depth and also learn more.
Yeah, but sometimes the materials you get in the classroom are not sufficient and can also be boring. In the internet, you can get whatever you want.
Some students are learning English for the first time and might not know how to judge the quality of the resources. So, in that case, classroom is very much useful. Professionals can teach you more.
There are many professional trainers who are teaching online. So, studying online will help everyone. Your time is going to end. All of you stop, please.
Through this type of group discussion, students can learn language fluency as well as communicate fluently within a group. The goal of training and placement is to provide employment opportunities to the students. Placements are the benchmark for the performances of any institution, and it depicts the growth and success of it. Placement involves in assigning a specific task and responsibility to an employee. Placement is an important human resource activity. Most of the engineering students in the present day fail to get a placement, though they have the highest CGPA. In a research, they found that the students lack in the proficiency of a few skills such as aptitude, verbal, technical, soft skills, and communication through English language. Aptitude means the natural ability to do something. Understanding oneself, discovering one's aptitude, identifying one's interest, developing one's life skills, recognizing one's personality. Employers test the candidate's abilities in the following areas: problem solving ability, logical reasoning, analytical reasoning, data interpretation, basics of arithmetic, probability, statistics, data analysis. Through aptitude tests. Without this knowledge, student will struggle to succeed in their interviews. Problem solving ability. It would be wonderful to have the ability to solve all the problems effectively without difficulty. Logical reasoning. It is a process of using a rational, systematic, and serious steps based on mathematics. Analytical reasoning. It is the ability to recognize and determine the variety of information. Data interpretation. It is the process of collecting information and determining the conclusions. Basics of arithmetic. It helps to identify the fundamentals of mathematics. Probability. It is a branch of mathematics which deals with calculating the likelihood of a given occurrence. Statistics. It is a branch of mathematics which deals with numerical data. Data analysis. It is a process of cleaning, inspecting, and transforming the data. Testing verbal ability is one of the important criteria for the companies. They are synonyms, antonyms, one-word substitution, fill in the blanks, idiom and phrases, grammar, vocabulary, punctuations, word group, reading comprehension, jumble sentences, analogies, error correction, spelling, sentence completion. Being technically strong indicates how knowledgeable an individual is in his or her subject. They are database technologies, Oracle, SQL Server, MySQL, DB2, Microsoft Technologies, .NET, Silverlight, Azure, Crystal Reports, MFC. Process models, Agile Scrum, RUP. Software testing, mobile application, SAP functional and technical trainings, OOAD and design patterns, BI trainings, SAS, Cognos, web design and development, core and advanced Java. Now we'll take a look at the importance of soft skills training. Soft skills are very important to handle interpersonal relations. It is useful to communicate effectively. It includes communication skills, leadership training, business writing and etiquette, English language, interviewing skills, time management, stress management, sales training, retail training, voice and accent training. Communication skills. It is important because it is the key to all relationships and success. Leadership training. Leadership is referred to learned competencies where leaders are able to demonstrate and perform as a whole. Business writing and etiquette. There are three basic steps in business writing etiquette. Introduction, reason for writing, detail, What would you like to accomplish? Conclusion. What are your next steps? English language. English language enhances one's career opportunity. Interviewing skills. Students need to know how to prepare for a job interview. Typical questions asked in an interview. Tips to help to prepare for job interviews. Time management. Effective time management starts with a clear vision and goals. Stress management. Learning to relax because of stress. Analyzing why you got it, how you got it, how to prevent it, and also how to deal with it. Sales training. Giving training to enhance marketing skills. Retail training. Retail training is also one of the essential things to learn. Voice and accent training. Learning to pronounce English syllables and also learning the following things: vowel sounds, word stress, intonation pattern, interview skills, extempore, phonetics, consonants, tongue twisters, soft skills, group discussion, activities and games. To get a placement, students require English language fluency. Importance of speaking in English. English is the global communication language, communication tool of the corporate world. Increases placement opportunities. Increases on-site opportunities. And outsourcing or offshoring criteria. Exposure to international diversity. Increases individuals' confidence. Let us learn some important tips for placement. Improve your soft skills. Make a proper resume. Register yourself at job search sites. Manage your social media profiles. Make important contacts. Speak to people working in your industry. Get references if possible. Apply to relevant companies. Think like an entrepreneur. Dress like a professional. Summary. Let us recall what we have learned so far. Understanding the required placement skill sets. Aptitude skills, verbal aptitude, technical skills, soft skills, English language fluency. Useful hints for placement.